Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two cases of mucocele of gallbladder. In one case, you can see a large stone in the neck of the gallbladder, while the other case has no stone in the gallbladder. Now you can see the liver gallbladder, and a large stone is seen in the neck of the gallbladder. Mucocele develops due to excessive accumulation of mucus. It may be due to an impacted stone in the gallbladder neck, most commonly, or cystic duct or decreased gallbladder motility. A grossly dilated, distended, thin-walled gallbladder measuring more than 5 cm across anteroposteriorly, an impacted stone in the infundibulum or neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct, and clear fluid content indicates a possible mucocele. As you can see in this video, the fluid is thick and turbid. The ultrasonic Murphy sign may be positive. Now you can see a cyst in the ovary, the uterus. Incidentally, this patient also has a cyst. Now, this is gallbladder. This is the mucocele gallbladder, and this is a large stone in the neck of the gallbladder. This is uterus. This is urinary bladder, and this one is the ovarian cyst. Now you can see the measurement of the stone. The stone measures about 14.8 millimeter, while the cyst measures about 48.0 millimeter into 45.8 millimeter. Now this video is going to conclude, and you will see the second case. This is the second case. Now you can see a thick sludge is seen in the whole length of the gallbladder except a small area of the fundus of the gallbladder. This is thick sludge, debris or sand particles in the gallbladder. Ultrasound uses sound waves to produce pictures of the gallbladder and the bile ducts. It is used to identify signs of inflammation involving the gallbladder and is very good at showing gallstones. Ultrasound produces pictures of the gallbladder and bile ducts. It shows signs of inflammation or indications that there is blockage of bile flow. Ultrasound is most common test performed to evaluate gallbladder abnormalities. When gallstones are diagnosed, there may be some uncertainty about whether any stone have passed into the bile duct. Gallstones in the bile duct are sometimes seen during an ultrasound scan. If there is no visible stone, but your test suggests that bile duct may be affected, you may need an MRI scan or a cholangiography. Now again you can see the thick sludge, debris or some sand particles in the whole length of the gallbladder except a small area of fundus of the gallbladder. Now, the alternative diagnosis can include oculate cholelithiasis, cholelithiasis, irritable bowel syndromes, IBS, right colon or duodenal spasm, or right-sided visceral hypersensitivity, right-sided stool constipation, dyspepsia, ulcer and non-ulcer, chronic pancreatitis, atypical reflux gas, oblique gas. Now you can see the urinary bladder and the prostate. The first video you was a female patient, but this video is about a male patient. You can see the prostate and the urinary bladder. Now, gallbladder problems are diagnosed through various tests. Tests may include liver tests, which are blood tests that can show evidence of gallbladder disease, a check of blood amylase or lipase levels to look for inflammation of the pancreas. Symptoms of chronic gallbladder disease include complaints of gas, nausea, and abdominal discomfort after meals and chronic diarrhea. Stones lodged in the common bile duct can cause symptoms that are similar to those produced by stones that lodges in the gallbladder. But there may they may also cause the jaundice. I hope you will find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.